Hello students. In previous class we discussed about chemical equation, what is chemical equation and how to write the chemical equation, and in previous class I also told that I will explain about how to balance the chemical equation. So how to balance the chemical equation and why it is needed. Previously I told that if the number of atoms present in each element will not same, like in left hand side and right hand side, if it will not same, then it is called a skeletal chemical equation. If we balance this skeletal chemical equation, like here we have done magnesium and here oxygen, magnesium oxide, and here we balanced it, 2 magnesium plus oxygen gives 2 magnesium oxide, and this is balanced chemical equation. So why it is needed to be balanced means why it is needed to balanced. According to law of conservation of mass can neither be created nor be destroyed in a chemical reaction. That means total mass of the elements present in the product must be equal to the total mass of the elements present in the reactant side. In other words, you can say number of atoms of each element remain the same before and after the chemical reaction. That's why the skeletal chemical equation must be balanced. Let's take one example. This is the word equation of a chemical reaction. Zinc plus sulfuric acid gives zinc sulfate and hydrogen, and it is represented by this, like zinc Zn, sulfuric acid formula H2SO4. When they both will react with each other, they will give zinc sulfate ZnSO4 and hydrogen. Mark here one thing, there are 4 types of elements present in this reaction, like zinc, hydrogen, sulfur and oxygen. First let's take the number of atoms present in the reactant side. Zn 1, hydrogen 2, sulfur 1, oxygen 4. In product side also, zinc 1, hydrogen 2, sulfur 1 and oxygen 4. So that means the number of atoms present in the reactant is equal to the number of atoms present in the product. That's why it is called as a balanced chemical equation. If it is not balanced, then how to balance it? So first one is heat and trial method. So first, how to write? Suppose let's take one example. Fe plus H2O gives Fe3O4 and H2. So how to do? So first step, draw a box around each formula like this. Fe plus H2O gives Fe3O4 and H2, and each are present inside the box. Then step 2, list the number of elements present like in the reaction. So in this reaction, Fe, H and O, these 3 elements are present, and write the number of atoms present in the left hand side. In left hand side, Fe is 1, H2 means H is 2 and oxygen O is 1. But in number of atoms present in the product side, it is different. Fe is 3, oxygen is 4 and hydrogen is 2. So this needs to be balanced. So the next step is step 3. First, select the compound having maximum number of atoms. So in this compound, this is having maximum number of atoms because it is only one atom. This contains 2 different types of atom, Fe and O. Then select from this element, select the element having maximum number of atoms. So in this compound, Fe is containing 3 and oxygen is containing 4. So let's take 4 oxygen, and in left hand side H2O is the maximum having maximum number of atoms compound, and hydrogen is 2. Okay, so then atoms of oxygen in reactant side it is 1, but in product side it is 4. First multiply 4 with reactant side. So now oxygen get balanced. but hydrogen is here 8. So the next step, here in reactant side hydrogen is 8 and in product side hydrogen is 2. Let's multiply with 4. So 4H2 means 8. Now hydrogen is balanced. Now balance the number of iron, because oxygen is balanced, hydrogen is balanced. Now barium is left out. So here it is 1 and here it is 3. So multiply here 3. Okay. Then next, now it is properly balanced. 3Fe plus 4H2O gives Fe3O4 plus 4H2. It is properly balanced. Count first. Here 3Fe, Fe is 3. In this side also Fe is 3. This side hydrogen is 8. This side also hydrogen is 8. This side oxygen is 4. And this side also oxygen is 4. And if it is required to write like gaseous stage or liquid stage, aqueous stage, you have to write, you can write like here 3FeS, S means solid state, 4H2O, this is gas, and Fe3O4 it will form as in solid, and 4H2 it is in gas form. So H2O indicates that water is used in the form of steam. Gas means it is used in the form of steam. Sometimes like some temperature, pressure, catalyst also you have to indicate, and it should be written above or below the arrow. Like we are writing in photosynthesis chemical formula, 6CO2 plus 12H2O, 6CO2 aqueous, like, and 12H2O, this is liquid, and sunlight and chlorophyll is needed. C6H12O6 it is in aqueous form, 6O2 in aqueous form, 6H2O in liquid form. You have to write this. Okay, thank you all. In next class we will study about types of chemical equation. Okay, thank you.